Hello. Today we will be installing the Cash Discount Professional app on your Clover device. Start by turning on your Clover POS. Once it is fully loaded, find and tap the App Market icon. Inside the App Market, use the search bar and type in Cash Discount Professional. From the list of results, locate the app titled Cash Discount Professional and tap on it. On the next screen, tap the green Connect button to begin installing the app to your Clover device. The next screen will ask you to select a plan. Choose the Tier 1 plan, then tap the green Connect button again. You will now see the app display as installing. Give it a few moments to complete the download and install. Once the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch the Cash Discount Professional app. Please note, you only need to install the Cash Discount Professional app on the first Clover POS device. It will sync with your other devices automatically if needed. You are now ready to begin using Cash Discount Professional with your Clover POS system.